Howdy gamers, back with more epic card content. Was at Walmart and I found some of these Crown Zenith tins with the legendary birds in them. I got one of each bird, but for this one we're just going to do the Articuno tin. We'll do one in each, so we don't have one super crazy long video. Instead we'll have three kind of longer than I want videos, but it's alright. 3 videos is better than one. We also got 3 more of these Silver Tempest promo things. We're going to do this one first. Usually I like to end it off with that, but we're going to do these ones. We'll do these first, because I think these Crown Zenith cards probably have some better pulls than this one pack. There's the promo. We've seen it 1,000 times. There's the coin. Get those out of my way. Here's the pack. Let's move this tin over. We'll move the tin this way. Tin is just spin the tin, move it that way. There we go. All right, Silver Tempest. These packs weren't too bad. I opened a couple in the V-Star Universe box and got some full arts. I think the one pack was an error because I don't think I was supposed to get that full art trainer in the reverse slot. Anyway, we're just gonna go kind of quick through these though. I got 2 more of these left, so I figured we'll just do them with the other 2 tins as well. Hey, we got I think these are trainer galleries or art rares, I guess, and a Zygarde on the end. Cool. It's a nice little start. I don't know, I think I might have pulled that one before, because I know I have that card, but there it is again. It's a cool artwork. Sun and Moon Gang, rise up. Alright, here's the tin. It's got the Articuno card in it. It's got 5 packs of Crown Zenith, so that's kind of cool. I actually haven't opened any Crown Zenith yet. Closest I've gotten is through the V-Star Universe stuff, because I think that is the Japanese equivalent to Crown Zenith. So, cause like for example, these bird promos are in the V-Star Universe as standard pulls. You know, you can pull them out of the packs. But when they printed Crown Zenith, they did a lot of these promo cards instead. So let me get this out. Alright, get the garbage out of my way. There's the promo. Really nice. I like these legendary bird arts as well. I think the Moltres one is my favorite out of the 3. So we're going to save the Moltres one for last. Here's our packs. Alright, let's get the rest of the stuff out of the way for now too. I was kind of hoping, it looks like this one is fine. I'm guessing the other 2 are probably fine too. But I've seen a post on Reddit. I don't know if it's the only instance that it happened or if other people have had the problem as well. But I guess people have bought these like same exact tins, you know, English tins, and they had Spanish booster packs. So, you know, it's kind of nice we got the English packs, so at least we get the English cards. I think they have a little more value than the Spanish ones. I really don't check the Spanish market for prices and stuff, obviously, because I have English cards. But it would have been kind of funny if we got Spanish packs. Oh wow, these are hard to open. Holy cow. Holy shit. Okay, I got it. I didn't want to resort to having to cut packs. Okay, so what is the thing? 4 to the front? Okay. So, let's see, I kind of got these out of my order here. Here we go. Alright, so we got the energy. We got Bishop, Great Ball, Pinchurchin, Tangela, Rockruff, Snowrunt, Panda, Tiger, Dusclops, and a Tangrowth. Alright, so first pack, nothing too special, but again, I've seen some people get crazy pulls out of Crown Zenith. I think it does have a higher pull rate than other sets normally do, so hopefully we can get some crazy things. Giraffarig. It's kind of going kind of fast. I don't want to make I was gonna say I didn't want to make a super long video, so I'm just gonna kind of go a little quicker through the packs, but holy shit. This is a good one. I think this card is maybe 30 or 40, I'm not sure. The price is gonna be on screen. Future me butting in. At the time I filmed this video, I was going through the prices, and the Pikachu card is only worth about $5. So that's fun. Don't know what made me say 30 or 40. I think I was watching older videos of people opening these packs that really made me think I had something. Maybe I thought I broke even on this tin, but I guess I didn't. Yeah, cool. Now, if this was the Japanese one, this card is only available in the Japanese packs, in the V-Star Universe boxes, in the God packs. There's like a whole picture. There's like 9 art rares like this that kind of form one big picture. And the only way you would pull them cards is all together in those God packs. And the Japanese Pikachu with the same artwork here is worth like $300, I think. It's definitely like one of the best cards you can get in V-Star Universe. I think the English one, it is a good card, but I'm pretty sure it is a lot cheaper than the Japanese one. But there's still a card behind it. Ooh. Volcanion. I feel like I haven't really seen this Pokemon around much lately. That's a cool one. So I'll sleeve all of them later. I'm not gonna play with sleeves today. It's not worth my time. I'm not a fan of these cloudy sleeves. I think I'm just gonna go with penny sleeves and top loaders, honestly. Alright. Friends and Sinnoh. I know that's another good one to get full art. Yeah, there's a ton of cool cards you can get in this set. And a Regigigas. Cool. Won't spend too much time on that. It's nothing too crazy. 2 packs left for this one. Don't really have anything. Oh shit. Don't really have anything else to throw in, and I want to save the other 2 tins for their own videos. Oh my god, this is gonna have a good card in it, guys. This pack is not gonna open. Okay, so I had it off screen for 1 second, so that means that I've tampered this pack, and I have put a really good card in it off camera. For real, guys. Not clickbait. Luxray, and ooh, that's an interesting artwork. I like the clay ones. They're pretty cool. I don't think I've seen too many of these yarn ones though. That's actually kind of a cool artwork there. All right, the last pack. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the Pikachu, but there's a ton of good cards in this set, so it would be cool to at least get another good hit card. So let's see what happens. Alright, we got the flower. We got crab, ball, whale, poniard. What is this thing anyway? Sharp blade. Alright. Larvesta. Reverse energy search. And nothing. Lycanroc. Alright. Well, not really a crazy tin. We got those cards. I really don't want to touch them out of the sleeves, but we can move those ones over. We got that Pikachu art rare. That's awesome. Actually, that kind of made the whole tin worth it for sure. Yeah, I got really nothing else to open. All right. So, I guess I will wrap this one up. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, do all that crap. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.